Hey everybody,
Wait, can you start over because I'm slouching?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep that in. Hey everybody, Dave Neal here.
Start
Tasha.
over here. I'm sitting up straight now. Ready, go?
Hey everybody, Dave Neal here with Tasha Courtney, my fiance. We made some travel videos of our trip to Kentucky. We're in Kentucky right now. We live in Los Angeles. Kentucky is Tasha's hometown, so we're in the hot tub at our parents' house. And this video, we're gonna be taking some photos of Tasha. She's a model, so I have to be your Instagram husband or Instagram fiance. And we're gonna have some fun along the way, so I hope you guys enjoy. This video takes us from the start of our road trip in Los Angeles, and the first night of our journey, we end up in Utah, the beautiful state of Utah. We got a flat tire along the way, so watch the video, leave a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Hit those jets. Ooh, baby. Goodbye, Los Angeles.
We are on our way to Zion National Park. Pups in the back. I think we're ready for a fantastic road trip.
So if you know Tasha, you know that she is a race car driver in another life. She gets about 4 miles to the gallon in this Prius with that lead foot. Never makes it through airport security. Get it? Lead foot. The thing that Tasha hates more than anything is slow cars in the left lane.
Look, there's a sign. It's literally the 800th one we passed. Slower traffic, keep right. If you are not passing the cars to the right of you, you need to get over. That's the rule. Left lane is for passing only. If you're just cruising, chilling, relaxing driving, then you need to be one over.
Get on over. So we came up with this idea. What if you could airdrop the driver in front of you?
I think it's worth a try.
Like I want to air it like
we get a little graphic that says slower traffic, keep right.
What if we
just airdrop it to anyone we can connect to right now?
I think you should send them a thumbs up and then it gifts and goes, get the yeah! You're like, oh, I got a thumbs up, and then it just points down. Boo! Anyhow, folks, that's an update and PSA brought to you by Tasha Courtney. Now, you could give Boone a full camper full of space, bedding, couches, whatever you want. He's gonna want to sit as close to the humans as possible. That's all he wants, to be with us. Well, we're making great time, and then there was a 1.5 hour delay, or 2 hour delay.
15. Yeah, it was, they notified us of a 75-minute, wow, look at these railroad tracks.
75-minute delay, there was a car fire, so we have to go all the way back around and take this crazy road. Look, we're going in the middle of nowhere.
I'm really excited.
This is a 1-lane.
This is gonna be a beautiful view.
This is old country right here. So, gotta make the best of it. 2 hour delay. We're losing daylight, so we might as well enjoy the sights that we have out here. What's the name of this place we're going up?
Newberry Springs.
Oh, and then we're taking the 40 east. We're basically taking the old Route 66. Sweet.
Whoa.
Go slow, go slow. Slow down a lot. A little sandy today. Look at these sand dunes. Should we pull over? There was an accident, the car was on fire, we got diverted to another road for an hour and a half, so we're gonna do a quick photo shoot. Tasha's got some sexy clothes to wear. We're gonna test out the drone.
I can't see it though, the way the background is.
All right. We pulled over in the sand dunes, trying out our drone. Let's see if this bird can fly. Oh boy, oh, hold on.
Whoa!
Hold on.
And watch out for traffic too.
No traffic, all right, so it goes out. Here we go. Say bye, everybody.
Dude, that's so dope. Car coming.
so we're going back to Route 15. We took a detour for half an hour, got a photo shoot done, tested out the drone for the first time. Are you glad Santa brought us that drone?
Tasha Santa?
Tasha Santa? Tasha Santa comes in big with the tech. That's a good drone.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool drone. You like it, Boone?
All right, winter road trip update. We haven't even made it to Vegas and we have a flat tire. Have we started out on the right foot, or
fix those flats.
are we cursed?
You're a flat tire.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Wait, this is a great place to get a flat tire. Great place.
Oh my god.
Because in the next 50 miles we'll be in the middle of the Mojave Desert, so.
Is it cheaper to get a flat fixed in Vegas? Oh man. Okay. Winter road trip.
Well, a couple of wrong turns and a flat tire later, we went to this tire shop to get our tire fixed. Ken's towing, you're a lifesaver.
An Impossible Burger with non-dairy cheese on a gluten-free bun at a rest stop. It's a vegan milkshake with coconut whipped cream.
With your car in the background.
Instead of ripping your ketchup down across the corner, you rip it across horizontally. Makes for clean ketchup eating.
Fresh tire, ready to go. Get this bad boy on me.
Touch the thing.
I need a press conference. Guys, I take full blame for how this went down. Here's what happened. We were driving to the Vegas area and we had about 80 miles left to the tank, and the next gas station was 44 miles away. Problem is, we got a Prius, by the way. Pan to the dog. I'm trying to get underneath my arm here. There's a dog down there. Anyway,
You look so content.
So the Prius,
basically,
we're
when you
going up
start to get low, when you get close to the bottom of the tank, the mileage that it tells you is inaccurate. You got about half the miles that it says you have.
Not to mention we're going up a mountain, so we're just draining. It's going from 80 miles to 60. And next thing I'm like, look, we're not gonna get stuck in the middle of the Mojave, not on my watch. So we had to go back and exit to the gas. No one likes to lose track of time, go backwards, but this could have been bad. But we had no way of getting around. The next exit was like 11 miles away. So there was a gravel pit in between the highways.
A turnaround, an emergency turnaround.
So we had to hit the emergency turnaround, but there's a small lane to get there, so you got to hit it at about 80 miles an hour. We get around, we go back, we put some gas in the tank. Next thing you know, I go, let me, something doesn't sound right. I look out, we got a flat tire. My fault. None of this would have happened if we got gas in the first place. I was a little unaware.
I told him we should stop for gas.
They always know what to do. But I'm very grateful that we were able to find Tony, is that his name? The guy who put the tire, patched the tire. What? What are you looking at me for? Glad we could find Tony, hooked us up, got a good deal, gave him a little bread in his tip jar. We're back on the road. We're gonna get to the national park around 4 p.m., hour and a half before sunset, try some more drone shots. See if the dog wants to go swimming in the river.
You're really rambling, honey.
Back on course. Hey honey, I found a new property for sale.
You want to live out here?
No Starbucks nearby. You can't complain about the neighbors though. It's pretty nice. Open air, nice backyard. We had flat tires, we had a lot of problems. We finally found the spot. What's this called, Tasha?
Red Cliff.
Red Cliffs. We're gonna take some photos in front of these beautiful red cliffs. Hello, Utah. Sun's about to go down. All right, we made it. Day one complete. Flat tire didn't stop us. We got all the way, where are we?
I have no
Zion
idea.
National Park. We're in Utah, and we got some Italian food. We're gonna eat it in the hotel. There's a dog under there somewhere. What's he doing?
What are you doing?
He's smelling stuff. Day 1 in the books, success. Onward and upward. Tomorrow, Moab Desert. Oh yeah. They gave us a lion's share of breadsticks. So I was thinking we're gonna hook a buddy up. Jump. Jump. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching that video. We made it to Utah. The next episode, we go from Utah and drive through Arches National Park. It's one of the most beautiful places in the world. And then we make our way to Denver, Colorado. So again, hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment. We'll get back to you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out our Instagrams, leave them in the comment section. Tasha's at Tasha Courtney. I'm at DNealz, DNealz. And if you like podcasts, we host a podcast with 368 episodes. Links in the description. It's called The SAP, which is short for Sex Actually Podcast. So you can listen to that. And thanks for being a part of our family. Bye, everybody.